Understanding Integration Now, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, integration now. This phrase is not only linguistically interesting but also culturally significant. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in various contexts. The term, integration, refers to the process of combining or incorporating separate elements into a whole. In a social context, it often involves merging different groups into a single community, ensuring equal participation and opportunities for all. It's about bringing together diverse elements in a harmonious and unified manner. Integration Now has been a powerful slogan in various historical contexts, especially in movements for civil rights and racial equality. This phrase was used to demand immediate action towards integrating segregated societies, particularly in the United States during the Civil Rights Movement. It symbolizes a call for immediate and unequivocal acceptance of all individuals, regardless of their race or background, into all aspects of society. In today's world, integration now is still relevant. It is often used to emphasize the urgent need for inclusion in different sectors like education, employment, and public services. This phrase can also be seen in discussions about technological integration, where it highlights the importance of integrating new technologies seamlessly into daily life or business operations. Linguistically, integration now is a simple yet impactful phrase. It consists of a noun, integration, and an adverb of time, now. This structure creates a sense of urgency and immediacy, calling for action to be taken in the present. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of integration now. We hope this video has been insightful in understanding the meaning, historical significance, and current relevance of this powerful phrase. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication but also a reflection of our history, culture, and aspirations. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.